Get ready. Start. The introduction of new methods of locomotion has considerably widened the field of the newspaper and added further variety to the editor's duties. Among the most popular modes of traveling is that of motoring, the development of which has been very remarkable indeed. Newspapers have consequently enlarged the scope of their contents and given circumstantial accounts of anything and everything of importance associated with motors and motoring. There are also periodicals devoted altogether to the interests of motorists. Interested parties organize motor shows at which everything in the way of accessories from incandescent lights to the most insignificant but nevertheless necessary parts are exhibited, each and every one claiming to have certain distinctive features. The multiplicity of motors, both public and private, is a source of danger to the general public, for some motorists are unprincipled enough to be reckless in their driving. Such unlawful acts give offense and cause great alarm and inconvenience to those passing along our streets. Therefore, it is urgent that those in authority should seek an enlargement of their powers to check excessive speed whenever motors travel through the busy thoroughfares of our cities and towns, and to inflict severer punishments on all who transgress or attempt to transgress the letter of the law. Next para. My committee have considered your communication of the 12th instant, drawing attention to several matters relating to the denominational schools in your district. The enlargement of the Cross Street schools received special consideration, and my committee are of the opinion that something should be done immediately in this direction. To enlarge them again, as they were enlarged 10 years ago, seems to be necessary, and it is hoped to commence building operations during the coming summer, and to save time, my committee purpose giving the contract to the original builder of the schools. As the whole of the lighting of the schools requires overhauling, my committee have arranged for a report on the matter, and as the incandescence of the mantles in the offices here is very satisfactory, it is probable that similar incandescent lights will be fitted throughout. Notwithstanding your remarks, my committee think there will be no unfairness to the voluntary schools of the district owing to the recent circular coming into force in the autumn, and are of the opinion that nothing should be done to hinder its working. Stop.